I know it better be a tip on this order, man.
Wait a minute.
We only had to deal with one non-tipping son of a gun today. Oh my God. And that's about as much as I can handle. So I need the rest of these customers to throw a couple dollars on that order. What's this? Hand to me? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Head southeast toward Troy Road.
Why? You know what? It is what it is. That last order wasn't a hand to me, but I ended up handing it to her, and she handed me $10. So shout out to all the customers that throw cash tips on them orders. Good old hand to me apartment delivery, man. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it, man. You just got to. You don't got no choice. Let me see, man. What is these people even doing? Number 5, ground floor. It better be ground floor. What is going on? Ground floor. Oh, it's ground floor for real. Where is number 5 at, man? These folks is tripping. And let me get my photo ready. I'm taking a picture, talking about hand to me. I'm gonna hand it to you, all right? So if you can't take a picture right in the app through the messaging, open up a support tab. Click the little question mark in the top right corner, go all the way to the bottom, and you hit dash or help. Once this pop up right here, then you hit the little message box right there, and it'll open up a support chat. And then order is delivered is what you're gonna type. And then you're gonna submit a photo of you handing them the food, which is what we finna do right now. So let's see if they even right here and ready. Let's see, we finna see right now. We're going right here to number 5. Let's see if they here and if they ready. Oh, this number 5 right here. Nobody. Hello.
Oh, hey. Thank you. That's for gallon, right?
Yeah, hold on. Let me get a picture, though. Boom. Thank you.
Okay.
You too. All right. And just like that, you can get a picture. And now we're going to send this picture to support like that so they know the order has been delivered. Now that we got a support chat with the picture of me handing them the order, now we will confirm this delivery, because now is no way they can lie and say they didn't get their food. Boom, we good right there. So let's go ahead and get out of this support chat. Let's confirm this. Boom, complete delivery. I know Galen better had tip. Nope, non-tipping son of a bitch.
Wait a minute.
Fuck. Another non-tipping son of a bitch, man.
Oh my God.
One. And see, that's why right there, I'm glad I took that picture. I'm so glad I took that picture, because if I didn't,
Man,
ooh,
stop playing
man.
with me. What?
I'm so glad I took that picture, because if I didn't, I'd be like, is this person gonna report that I didn't deliver that order? That's crazy. Another non-tipper, boy. I cannot believe it.